just gonna walk on the spot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta, ti, ta. Just like this. Your upper body is relaxed upwards, and you can also try to incorporate the upper body in a rocking motion. This is it slow. And you eventually speed it up. Stay on beat with it, and it modifies, minifies. And then you let go of your arms as the next step, and your upper body, and you can walk with this. Make some accents with it. Pause. Stay on the spot, but move your upper body. Incorporate the feet to turn around. Walk in a square. Turn. And slow down. But if you come back to this, just hold your arms close to you and walk on the spot for the whole song. Another thing to do here is to try to add the shoulders, and your elbows will help you. Right, so the elbows will kind of activate the shoulder, because this shape is easier than you would be isolating it, but you can try to isolate the shoulder as well. But at first it will be easier with this, and if I slow it down with the bouncy motion. So halfway and halfway here. You can reverse it, but that was not the groove that we looked at today, because this is going here, right? The bounce. But we want to stomp here. It's a perfect move to practice. So I hope you're gonna do it every other day, just for a few minutes. Put your favorite track, do what you need to get your spirits higher and move to the music that you like. You will open up the body and you will be able to flow eventually. So at first, take it as a practice, and you will have also good feelings together with it and new breakthroughs. And imagine yourself being free, dancing, relaxed, enjoying yourself, just flowing around. That will be your destination, and the whole process is gonna be rewarding. So join me, join yourself, join the music and practice your dancing skills